Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set free shipping over $75 on Shopify. Once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. From there, you're going to tap on discounts. Then you're going to tap on create discount and you're going to select free shipping. You're going to tap on automatic discount. Then from there, you can give it a title. So for example, I'll call it free shipping. After you have done that, you can choose whether you like to offer the free shipping to all countries or selected countries. So I'll leave it at all countries. Then you're just going to scroll down and you're going to see the option minimum purchase amount. You're going to tap right there and you're going to type in $75. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can see right here the start date. You can choose when you would like it to start and end. Once you're finished, you're going to save it. So you'll tap on enter and it has been created. You can see you created this discount. Now that I've created the discount, if I were to go onto my product page, for example sake, so let's say for example this product, and I'm just going to add, for example, let's say 8. After I've added it to my cart, you can see right there it would come up to $96. If I were to select checkout, you can see that a free shipping has been added. So you can see free shipping and it has been added right there. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.